In this video, I'm going to go over the top crypto scams that I've seen in my 7 years in the space so you can stay safe and know what to look for. So the first scam that I've seen pop up more recently is a Telegram scam where the scammers will add users to fake Telegram groups to trick them into sharing sensitive information or clicking on phishing links. And a lot of times these fake groups will look legitimate with similar names, profile pictures, etc. So one of the first things you need to do is go to your Telegram account, into your settings in privacy and security, and then click on the groups and channels, and it says who can add me to groups and channels, and click nobody, and then click save. So make sure that no one can add you to a group or channel without your consent. So please set this to nobody and make sure that no one can add you to these fake channels, because a lot of times you'll see them add and they'll look just like the original channels, and then people will get trapped and actually give sensitive info by clicking on a phishing link or some scam. So please be vigilant and set that to nobody. Now, the second scam is getting DMs from people in groups. So, for example, the CryptoKing, he's very popular. He has 17,402 subscribers, and people have constantly said that they get DMs from people impersonating him and really asking for their money or trying to get into his private group, and they'll send them links. So please guys, if you ever get DMs from the CryptoKing or even myself, I posted from my Telegram group, I said I will never DM you first. I don't charge for services or ask for your personal information. So again, if there is any doubt in your mind, definitely go ahead and comment in the Telegram group and send a screenshot, say, hey, I received this DM, is this real? Because 9 times out of 10, it is fake. And again, they will never DM you first. So please never fall for these guys. Anytime someone tries to DM you asking for money or to join their private group, 9 times out of 10, it's a scam. So always message the actual group and ask people if you are unsure. Next, let's go over Discord. So same thing here. There's a lot of scammers that try to impersonate myself. So you can see here, they've actually added an extra T in the name, or they add an underscore at the end, or they add a dot at the end. So guys, I will never DM you first. Don't fall for any of that. And again, most popular influencers will never DM you first. So never fall for the scams. Always ask in the group directly, because again, 9 times out of 10, it is a scam. So never fall for any DMs. That is the easiest way to get scammed. Next, let's go over some email scams. So this is something that I'm sure a lot of people have got, and these are emails either from MetaMask or claiming that you got a free airdrop, or from Coinbase saying we received a request to change your passkey, or Season 2 claim is live for some random airdrop, or even from OpenSea. So you can see how many emails I've gotten that is spam. And I want to tell you guys, you will never get an airdrop email. So anytime you get something that says you got an airdrop, it's a scam. You'll never get an email from MetaMask saying you need to change your wallet, because you never even sign your email when you create a MetaMask in the first place. So how are they going to email you? And then same with anything from OpenSea, okay? So never click links from emails. Always go to the official source before anything. And then this goes to show you this Coinbase email. So you can see here, it says deposit verification reminder, and it has this link, get started. So all you have to do is look at who it's from. So we can actually click on the name, and you can see it is from a fake email, gerhardrudolfi@tonline.de. This is not the Coinbase support email. And even if it was, guys, I would go directly to the source, go directly to Coinbase's website and verify before you even click anything. I would never click any links from emails, period, because it's too risky and there's too many scams out there. Again, you got to be safe. So always go to the official website or the official Twitter account. Never click any email links. Next, let's go over airdrops and different coins that you may have received in your wallet. So this is from DBank. I'm actually showing my own wallet here in the transactions tab. You can see how many different NFTs and how many different coins I've gotten airdropped to my wallet. These coins are scams, okay? And I will say never transact with any coin that you do not know or a new coin that you see in your wallet. And I'm actually going to show you why. So if you go to, you can see here, if you go to ChatGPT, I actually asked, I said, hey, I received random coins in my wallet. Should I interact with them? What are the risks? And it says here, phishing and scam. Some unsolicited tokens are used as bait for phishing scams. Interacting with these tokens, i.e. selling or transferring, could lead you to malicious websites or smart contracts designed to steal your funds or personal information. You got privacy breach, malicious smart contracts, again, all this stuff basically saying if you interact with these coins, it could be a malicious contract and you could have your funds drained. So please, if you get any new coins in your wallet, never interact with them. They're most likely scams. Next, let's go over this text here. So this was actually a message that was in one of the Discord groups I'm in, and I blurred out his name, but he says, "To everyone, I just got scammed on the website called tonstake.co. I blindly got excited and made a huge mistake staking all of my ton. Please, just as a reminder, never stake your ton on that page. There are YouTube channels that are advertising the page. I lost all my ton and they charge you every time you try to withdraw." So this is another thing I want to talk about is YouTube channels. So you can see here, this is the YouTube video that he showed, and it says how to earn 1 ton every 5 minutes with instant withdrawal access. So here's another thing. If it sounds too good to be true, it most likely is. And the reason why he believed this is because the guy here had 190,000 subscribers. So this YouTube channel, Joshua Peck, he is a scammer. All of his videos are scam links. He promotes scam websites, but he buys followers and he buys bots to watch his videos and to give him likes. So what I will say for this, if you're watching any YouTube video that claims to make money or you're making all this money with this thing or staking here to get all these rewards, guys, most likely it's a scam, okay? What I will say is look at the comments. Look at here. I can't withdraw any ton. I invested 20 ton. It looks like a scam. This is a scammer. Don't try. Look at this. So all these scammers, you can see here, all these people saying this is a scam. Now, obviously he has bots, but most of these people, I can't get instant withdrawal. So just keep that in mind, okay? Some big YouTube channels, they'll actually hide these comments that say I can't withdraw any ton or say that it's a scam, and they'll only allow their bot comments, which is, oh, this is great, or, you know, all these videos are scam. Or so you can see here, some of these are good comments. So it's hard to find one because so many people say this is a scam. Okay, you're a great example for others. Hello, dear friends, your channel accept paid advertising. This is intrigued to beat other social media rivals. So again, these are all bots, okay? So never fall for this. Even if someone has a lot of subscribers, guys, there's all scammers out there. So please, please never fall for this. Always go to the official Twitter account or just look at the comments. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Next, let's go over some other airdrop scams. So during the Layer 0 airdrop, if you just searched Layer 0 airdrop in Twitter, say you were looking for the link, there are a lot of fake accounts that will impersonate the real account, and they'll have phishing links. So right here, this layer_zro_, this is a fake account, and you can see here, it says claim here, and then what happens is you'll click this link thinking it's the airdrop link, and you'll connect your wallet, and you'll actually get your funds stolen. So what happens is a lot of accounts, they'll have a blue check mark or even a yellow check mark, and they'll have a lot of followers trying to claim to be the actual Twitter account, okay? What I would say in this instance, if you're looking for the airdrop link and not sure what the official Twitter account is, just Google it, okay? So you can Google Layer 0. You can see here is the official website, and you can find the official Twitter account from there or the official claim page. What I will say is if there's any advertisements on the top, do not click any ads. Always scroll down and click the official link, because also what will happen is scammers will pay to get their ads on top, and it'll be a fake website. So it'll look like the correct website. The front end will look like it, but the back end will actually be a fake website, and they have phishing links. When you connect your wallet, they'll steal all your funds. So never click on advertisements when you're searching on Google. Always scroll down to the official website. So that's another thing you have to watch out for. And then also, this is another scam. So back in 2017, there was a big thing going on where he said, hey, send me 1 ETH and I'll send you 2 ETH back, or something along those lines. And it sounds stupid, but a lot of people were falling for that. And you can even see here, this is a recent one. Send us 0.04 to 0.06 ETH and get 1.5x value back in MTGX tokens. So guys, these are scams. If you send coins, you're never going to receive more back, okay? So never fall for these. Never fall for people who say, send your coins to this wallet. I'm doing a free coin I'm creating. Never do that. Never, never, never send your coins to a wallet address on Twitter that someone tells you to, okay? 9 times out of 10, it's a scam, and they're going to take your money and not send you anything back. So please never fall for these. It's always a scam. Next, I want to talk about different phone calls that you may get. So I've received phone calls before from a supposed person from Coinbase support, and the weird thing was he had my name, email, phone number, everything. and he says you had an unauthorized withdrawal of $2,000, and is this a correct email? Is this where you live? All of that stuff. He had it all, and he's like, hey, I'm gonna send you a text message. You just need to sign in through there, and then just to verify it, and then click a message no. And something told me that this is a scam. Obviously, the biggest thing was I didn't have $2,000 in my Coinbase account. I believe I had $5 in there. So one, that was already wrong. But I was very curious how he got that info. And long story short, I basically said, hey, I didn't even have $2,000 in there. And then he basically yelled some profane thing and then hung up. Okay. So the way people can get your actual info is through eBay. So be very careful. They'll get it through eBay. If you sold anything on eBay, that other person could be a scammer. They'll have all your info right there because they're sending something to you or they're buying something from you. So guys, always be careful. People can get your info. If they have it on a phone call, never trust them. Always go directly to the official website. And that actually leads me into another one, which is Twitter DMs. So if you get a DM from someone saying, hey, how's your experience with the market? I'd love to get your feedback. I'm actually an editor at Decrypt, a famous blog. Or they'll say they're from some official, editorial or something, and they want your input. And then they'll give a link actually, and they'll say, hey, fill out this form, and then, here's the website. And basically what's going to happen is that's going to have malicious content or malicious code in that form that you click, and you're actually going to end up, one, either getting your passwords or draining funds from your wallet or whatever it may be. So guys, if anyone DMs you saying they're from some editorial from Decrypt or anything, never believe them. Never, even if someone in their bio, it says they're an editor. Okay, anyone can fake their bio. So please never fall for this. Never fall for any DMs on Twitter. I always stress that. Make sure it's an official account first. Please, because there's way too many scammers out there impersonating themselves as an editor or a blogger at some famous company. So please never fall for these scams. And then also, if you have connected your wallet to some malicious website, or you think you may have, you can go to this website here. It's revoke.cash. You can actually revoke your approvals that you no longer use to prevent unwanted access to your funds. So this is revoke.cash. And you can use this website, again, to revoke any access that you may have connected your wallet to in the past. So something I want to point out as well. And then last but not least is what wallet to use. So I always stress using cold storage wallets. One of the top ones, in my opinion, is the Trezor wallet. Okay, they've had less security breaches than Ledger. And in my opinion, they're safer, easier to use, and they've stood the test of time. So please, I would recommend getting a cold storage wallet such as Trezor. But one more scam is never buy cold storage wallets off eBay or any other third-party platform, because what happens is a lot of these scammers will actually repackage these cold storage wallets, but they'll actually put some malicious code or some virus or something in it. And basically what happens is you're going to get the wallet, you're going to plug it in your computer, you're going to get your seed phrase and think you're secure. Where on the other side, that hacker actually has that malicious code downloaded on your computer. They know your seed phrase and they actually steal your funds. So always purchase your cold storage wallets on the official website. Never go to a third party, guys. Never go to a third party, please. So as you can see, there's a lot of scams out there. I tried to cover as many as I could. Obviously, I may have missed some, but through my 7 years in the space, this is what I found. These are all the scams I've seen. Please stay safe out there. If you're not following me on Twitter at thecryptodata, definitely do so. I also have a public Telegram group where I share a lot of alpha, but I try to keep people safe, and I try to just open everyone's eyes that crypto, there's more scammers by the day, and you always got to stay safe. Making sure that you're being safe with what websites you're going to, because if you have hot wallets like MetaMask or Phantom or any of those, they could get hacked if you get some malicious code on your computer. So please always be vigilant. I recommend using the Rabby wallet. Rabby's really good, rabby.io. But again, anytime you're dealing with wallets, just always read the code, always slow down, have a process when you're connecting it so that you don't connect to some malicious website or some faulty link because you're rushing. So please, guys, stay vigilant out there. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Please like if you like the video, and please subscribe if you haven't. Really appreciate all my subscribers. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.